I am afraid of the dark. I am afraid of the dark. I do not like the dark. The dark is scary for me. I feel bad at night. I feel afraid. At night, my room is dark. The light is off. The window is closed. The door is closed. It is very quiet. I lie in my bed. I look at the ceiling. I cannot see well. Everything is black. I feel afraid. I hear a small sound. I open my eyes. I look around my room. I see nothing. My heart beats fast. The sound is very small. Maybe it is the wind. Maybe it is my chair. Maybe it is my door. But I am afraid. There is a shadow on the wall. The shadow is big. It looks strange. It looks like a monster. I feel very scared. I close my eyes. I open them again. The shadow is still there. I pull my blanket up. I hide under it. Under the blanket, it is warm. It is dark too. I do not see the shadow, but I still think about it. I am still afraid. I hear another sound. It is near my window. I sit up in my bed. I listen very carefully. I feel cold. The sound comes again. Tap, tap, tap. It is soft. It is slow. I feel scared. I think about ghosts. I think about monsters. I think about bad things. My head is full of fear. I do not like this. I call my mother. Mom, I say. My voice is small. She does not hear me. I feel alone. I try again. Mom, I say louder. I wait for her. I listen for her steps. My heart beats fast. My mother comes to my room. She opens the door. She turns on the light. The room is bright now. I feel better. She looks at me. She smiles softly. She says, "What is wrong?" I say, "I am afraid." I feel small. She sits on my bed. She holds my hand. Her hand is warm. I feel safe with her. I feel calm. She looks at the wall. She looks at the window. She looks at the door. She smiles again. She is not afraid. She shows me the shadow. It is my jacket. My jacket is on the chair. The light from outside hits it. It makes a big shadow. I look at the chair. I see my jacket. It is not a monster. It is just my jacket. I feel a little better. She walks to the window. She opens it a little. The wind moves the tree. The tree hits the window. Tap, tap, tap. It is just the tree, she says. There is no monster. There is no ghost. You are safe. She smiles at me. I take a deep breath. I look around my room. Everything looks normal. My bed is here. My desk is here. My toys are on the shelf. My books are on the desk. My shoes are near the door. Nothing is strange. Nothing is scary. My mother turns off the light. The room is dark again. I feel afraid again. I hold her hand. I do not want her to go. She gives me a small lamp. It is night light. The light is soft. It is not very bright. It is nice and warm. The room is not black now. It is a little yellow. I can see my chair. I can see my door. I feel better. My mother kisses my head. She says, "You are brave." She says, "The dark is normal." She says, "You are safe." She leaves my room. I lie down again. I look at the small light. It makes small shadows. But I am not very afraid. I feel calmer now. I hear a sound again. I listen carefully. It is my clock. Tick, tick, tick. It is not scary. I hear my cat. She walks in the hall. She makes a small sound. It is normal. I know this sound. I think about my day. I think about school. I think about my friends. I think about my teacher. I forget the dark. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. In and out. In and out. I feel relaxed. The dark is still there. But I am not alone. My family is at home. The room is safe. My house is safe. I open my eyes again. I look at the chair. It is just a chair. There is no monster. There is no ghost. I smile a little. I feel stronger. I am still afraid, but I am less afraid. That is good. The next night comes. It is dark again. I turn on my small lamp. I lie in my bed. I wait. I hear the wind. I hear the tree. Tap, tap, tap. I smile a little. I know that sound. I see the shadow. It is my jacket again. I laugh softly. It is not scary. It is funny. I feel proud. I am in the dark, but I am okay. My heart is calm. My body is calm. I still do not love the dark. The dark is still quiet. The dark is still big. But I am learning. I am learning to be brave. Sometimes I feel afraid. That is okay. Many children feel afraid. Many people feel afraid. Fear is normal. I talk to my mother. I talk to my father. They listen to me. They help me. I am not alone. Now, when night comes, I turn on my lamp. I take a deep breath. I close my eyes. I sleep slowly. I am afraid of the dark, but I am also brave. I am learning every day. The dark is not my enemy. The dark is just night. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.